Hey, what's up everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to give memory to your AI voice agent. I'm going to be using a specific Vapi for this video and make.com. Okay, so go to your Vapi account and click account if you don't have one and log in. Once you're inside Vapi, first thing you need to do is get a phone number. Okay, so click here, phone number, and you can import from Twilio or you can get one for free from Vapi. Okay, so get your phone number, and then the phone you're going to be using, you're going to go here and you see server URL. Okay, so we're going to copy this. This is the webhook URL from Make. Okay, so go on Make, and then we're going to create a new scenario, and then we're going to add a webhook. Okay, this is the webhook, so click on it and we're going to copy this address. Okay, copy that, and you're going to come here and you're going to paste. Okay, and then down here you do not need to specify the assistant. Okay, so leave this in blank. Do not specify the assistant here, and that's it. What again you need to do here, and then save, and then we're gonna click in assistant, and then go ahead and create your own assistant. Okay, I have this one is just just a blank. Okay, I create a blank assistant, and just to show you guys how it works, right? I click hello, and you can see here the double curly brace. Okay, this is how you pass the dynamic variables. Okay, so this is gonna come from Make. So what's gonna happen is I'm gonna call Vapi number. Vapi number is gonna request assistant, and then Make is gonna give assistant and all this information, and then the name, the email, and the call summary. And then you can pass this for your customized conversation with the client. Okay. So we can see here, even in the greeting, you can see hi, name, how can I help you? Okay, so this name is the dynamic variable. Everything that is in curly braces, you see, is dynamic variables. That's coming from Make. Okay, so create a assistant, just really simple, and you set up this, the greeting, and put the name, so username, the name, email, and call summary. Okay, and now that's it from here. And now go back to Make, and then here, the first step, what are you going to do? You're going to set a filter here, okay, because I only want the message type to be assistant request. Okay, anything else I don't want to go through. So if it's assistant request, then it's going to go through. Okay, so when assistant request comes through, and this first module here, the tools, this is to set variables. Okay, so if I click on it, so what I'm doing is pretty much the phone number is going to come with a plus and the country code, right? So I'm taking off the plus just because to compare it with the Google Sheet. I'll show you inside the Google Sheet, the phone number does not have the plus. So when I need to compare two phone numbers, they need to be exactly the same. Okay, so that's what I do here. I search for the Google Sheet to find the customer with the same phone number. So when I'm comparing the phone number from D, so the phone number over here has to match this phone number that I just set. You know, I set, like, I took off the plus sign, so that means it's just the one and the rest of the phone number. Okay, so it's the country code without the plus and the phone number. So you will compare to find if the user it is on the system or not. Okay, so if the user is in the system, and then it's gonna find and it's gonna retrieve. So then you can see here the name, the email, and the summary. Okay, the call summary from the last conversation. If the user is on the system, if the user is not on the system, then it's not gonna have any of this information. Okay, but this I'm sending back as a webhook response. Okay, so I'm calling this webhook to requesting assistant. So we can see here assistant ID, and this is the ID from my assistant. Okay, if you go over here, you can see here, copy this assistant ID, and then you come here and you paste. Okay, and then I'm gonna say assistant overrides variable values, and then I'm gonna say name, and this is the name from the Google Sheet. Okay, and you can see here name from Google Sheet. You can just drag and drop. Email from the Google Sheet you can drag and drop, and call summary from the Google Sheet. Okay, you can pass more information if you want, depending on your use case. You can pass more information. This is just like a demo video for you guys to see how it worked. Okay, so I'm just passing these three information, right? And then the phone number ID, name, and number. Save this. So now what's going to happen? When I call, it's gonna go to, because the phone number doesn't have assistant, I'm gonna have a request requesting the assistant. The assistant, okay, and then it's gonna come through here. It's gonna get the phone number without the plus. It's gonna look to a Google Sheet to see if the same phone number exists in the Google Sheet. If it does, it's gonna grab the row, and then it's gonna go through and send back to Vapi, to the AI assistant, all the information, the name, the email, and the summary. Okay. So let's test it. Okay, I'm gonna call this number really quick, and you guys gonna see it.
Hi, Tiago. How can I help you?
Hi, do you know my name?
Yes, your name is Tiago. How can I assist you today?
Okay, do you remember what we talked last time, last conversation?
Yes, I remember. Last time you asked about pepperoni pizza and pineapple. How can I help you today?
Oh, cool. Do you have my email?
Yes, I do. Your email is thiago@ravian.com. How can I assist you further?
Okay, thank you. Bye-bye. All right, so you guys saw, and it just like it grabs the information that I'm passing through, and you can, like I said, you can send more information if you want, and this you can see end of the call report. Okay, for this webhook, I'm specific just sending the dynamic variables. Okay, and then you can see the second one. Let's see, maybe this one. Okay, if you click here, then you can see this is the one, the assistant request. Okay, so this is one what initiate the call when I just call. All right. So this is pretty simple, pretty easy, okay, but really helpful, okay, because now your agent can talk to your customer, and has a conversation that's customized, based on the last conversation. So you can remember the name, you can greet them by the name, you can have the email already on the system, the phone number, okay. But like I said, this is only if the user it is on the database on your. I'm using Google Sheet, but this could be a CRM. Let's say you have a CRM without the users, so you can go search for a contact, find the details of the contact, address, city, any other relevant information for your business, okay? And then you can pass to AI agent, and then they will know the conversation, they will know what to say and what to ask, okay? That's it, guys. Just a really recap. So this is how you give memory to your AI voice agent, okay? In this case, I'm using Vapi, okay? Vapi agents and make.com. So this could be doable as well in Retell if using Retell and NRN as well, okay? All similar platforms, okay? So I did this on Vapi because someone asked me, and so here it is. If you think this is helpful, give a like. But that's it, guys. Really quick video. I just want to show this for you guys. If you guys have any question, just please drop a comment below. If you need help with your project, I have a community that I just launched not too long ago. Go to School Community AI Automation Builders, okay? And if you need any help, just join and I'll help you whatever you need. And if you'd like to see more content like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope you learned something. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you.